my name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and let's get Steve in the picture. Your big head won't fit. Having trouble. Yeah. Heard that before?
And squeeze is not working.
Anyways, if you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today we are here to do a Christmas tag with you guys. These tag questions were created by Tracey over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl. So I will make sure I link her channel down below so you guys can go and check out her channel. And then we were tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy, which as always I will link his channel down below so you can go check them out. So big thanks to Tracey for setting up the tag for us, and huge thanks to Roy for always thinking of us. All right, let me introduce who I'm here with because I don't think I have yet. This is the most scatterbrained intro we've done yet. I say we because I'm not taking full blame for it, but
You should.
I won't. This is my husband, Steve.
Hi.
Also known as Mr. Chaos.
Hi.
And this is our daughter, Ava, which, if you guys are watching my Vlogmas, I'm sure you've met her maybe once or twice or, 25 times.
Chaos Jr. back there.
Chaos Jr.
Mm-hmm.
Are you like me, Ava? And then the one who is knocking the camera all over the place is Ace. Ace, quit. They don't...
Oh my gosh, dog.
No. We apparently have a very scratchy dog. Oh, and now you have to lick your paw. Is that embarrassing? What the heck? Lay down, please. Oh my gosh.
Well, that was fun.
That was Ace.
All right. Let's give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.
Right. Say hi, Ace. Sorry, guys. Ace wanted to come into the office with us. I guess we could have said no, but there really wasn't any point until he had that massive itching attack, and now he's ashamed. So, Steve has the tag questions on his phone. Let's go ahead and get started.
Question number 1. What was your most memorable holiday as a kid?
Ava, what's your favorite holiday since you're still a kiddo?
Christmas?
Christmas. And do you have a favorite holiday memory?
No.
No?
No, I don't remember much.
She doesn't remember much. Well, we rock as parents, don't we?
We're awesome.
What's your favorite?
No. Back off.
That's just awkward. I just look over and I see this. Creeper. What's your favorite holiday as a child? Or is it holiday memory?
Yeah, it's what's your most memorable holiday as a kid.
Okay.
I wanted to go back to that one that I've said, I think, in a previous tag about when I got those Transformers for Christmas. That one brings back a lot of good memories.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And I would have to say my most memorable, really all of my Christmases were fantastic.
Mm.
Extremely blessed with my Christmases with my family. I've got little memories from every single one. So, hope that counts as an answer.
Mm-hmm. Safe answer.
Yes. Not a safe answer, it's true.
All right, question 2.
Transformers. I like to play with toys.
Well, when I was freaking 5, 6, 7, 8 years old, yes. I played with toys. Okay, still play with toys. Leave me alone.
You'd be just as excited if you got Transformers this weekend.
Yes, I would.
Next question.
All right, question 2. What are your favorite holiday treats?
I love Chex Mix. Oh, Ava, you go first.
Hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate is your favorite holiday treat?
Yeah.
Good choice. Mine, the peanut butter cookies with Hershey Kisses on them.
Yes. I like the Christmas wreath cookies that are made out of cornflakes and marshmallows with the red hots on them. We're going to talk about cookies. Otherwise, I love Chex Mix. That's one of my all-time favorite holiday treats.
Spicy.
Cool.
Spicy. Yep. Then we make the spicy and we make the regular.
Yes, so everybody's happy.
Yeah.
All right, question 3. What is your funniest holiday memory? Eva, funniest holiday memory?
Well, I can't talk about it.
Why?
You're going to yell at me like, Ava, stop.
What was yours, Steve?
I don't know. I'm kind of thinking this whole time. I can't really think of a funny. I know there's tons of funny stuff that we did over the holidays. I just can't think of a single one. Maybe a decent one will help me spark one.
Okay, so the first one that popped into my head would be when we were all around the tree as kids opening presents, and my brother opened up this outfit that was supposed to be for my sister, and it was like a lacy, like teal blue and hot pink, 90s children outfit with matching capri pants, and he held it up and he was so excited. He was like, oh, I love this! And then my mom was like, Brian, that's for your sister. And he was like, oh. Like, he really needed a hot pink and teal blue Christmas outfit. So that's one of the funniest memories. What about your sister waking you up every year?
Oh, jeez. Yeah, she's terrible.
She still does, though.
Yes. Yep. So like it got earlier and earlier every year.
Yeah. They stayed at our house one year. We were in our probably late 20s, early 30s, and she came flying up the stairs at like 6 o'clock. Time to come downstairs!
Yep.
Okay, we're coming.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
Now I do that.
I haven't even brewed
Yep.
coffee yet. Leave me alone.
Now Ava does, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Ready for 4?
Yes.
Question 4.
No.
What is your favorite holiday scent?
I love pine. I love pine. I love it.
Yes. Pine for me, definitely. Love pine smell.
Mm-hmm. That's what we have on our coffee table burning right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ava, we totally forgot you. What's your favorite holiday scent? Cinnamon. We like cinnamon too, but
Cinnamon? Cinnamon?
we do cinnamon scents more in the fall time, and then once it gets to Christmas time, then we do the evergreen.
Sure.
Why did I say pine? Well, evergreen is pine.
Balsam
So.
pine. Alrighty. Question 5. What is the best Christmas gift you've ever received? Eva? Sorry.
My karaoke machine's like screaming in the microphone.
Yes. That was Ava's favorite. However, believe it or not, it was not ours. Still is not, because she still has it.
Uh-huh.
I don't use it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I lost a card to plug it in, so you guys
Lost?
are lucky. Yep, lost.
Imagine that.
Lost. Oh, darn.
Steve, what do you think?
Transformers Optimus Prime Generation 1.
Which she's mentioned now twice in this video.
Can you tell I really like that?
I love all of my Christmas gifts. I really do. I'm super grateful for everything that I get. But I am thinking that my favorite one was my guitar that I got when I was probably 14 or 15. That was a huge deal. But I do love all of my Christmas gifts. Definitely. I just love the fact that people think enough of me to go out and want to make my Christmas day special. So, yeah.
Nice. All right.
Safe answer, dear?
No, that's not safe. You said guitar.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one. Yeah. All right. Question 6. What is the weirdest gift you've ever received?
Oh my gosh.
Ava? Weirdest gift?
Ava, you're our child. You can't say we haven't given you some weird gifts.
Need a minute?
Underwear is a weird
Underwear?
gift. That is kind of a weird gift. But we do give underwear.
Yeah.
I don't.
Our kids are starved and they don't get underwear. There you go.
All right. Well, do gift exchange gifts count?
I don't care. Just the weirdest gift.
All right. Yeah. This year it was we had a Secret Santa, and I got a teddy bear, a rather feminine teddy bear with a feminine coffee cup. And what was the other thing that was with that? There was something else I ended up giving. Oh, and I love New York City
Picture frame.
Picture frame.
I got the
So that's kind of been one of the weirdest ones I've gotten. Not bad, just weird.
Right.
She got the coffee cup, I got the teddy bear, I got the
Keeping
picture
the
frame.
cameras
He
too.
got nothing.
Yeah, I ended up giving it stuff away. So
Yep. Actually, it's still sitting on the dining room table.
Yeah.
oh, great. Good
So
place
all
for
the
it.
people that you gave it to didn't take care of it yet.
Nice.
You have a coffee mug. You
Mm-hmm. What is the weirdest gift I've ever gotten? I got a grilled cheese maker. It was one of those, the ones that you open up and you put the bread and the cheese in it, and then you close it, and it grills the bread and slices it in half. It was a silly gift, but I like that one.
have
Mhm.
that.
I don't think I do. I think we got rid of it. I might have given it to Ariana when she moved out a long time ago.
Yeah. All right. Question 7.
We're going to, well, yeah. Go ahead.
All right, question 7. How long did you believe in Santa? Ava?
Still do.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I always say, what do I always say when it comes to believing in Santa?
Santa is cool.
I don't say Santa's cool. I say Santa is what you believe in your heart.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, I still believe in Santa.
I do too. All right. Question 8. Have you ever had a white Christmas?
No.
I can't remember any major white Christmases with her.
I can't remember any white Christmases from the past multiple Christmas we have because it never snows.
Doesn't really snow on Christmas very often. I know I have because I remember getting sleds for Christmas and going sledding.
I remember getting a bicycle for Christmas one year and taking it outside in the snow and riding it in the snow.
I did that too. My dad got us all bikes one year and we went out in the parking lot and rode in the snow in it.
So probably not since I've been a kid, since I don't think we've had a white Christmas.
We did when Ariana was little.
Didn't we?
Because I remember we all got back from midnight mass and there was like 3 feet of snow on the porch. That was
right.
the big snow.
That's right.
Ava.
I was working that night, I think, because I didn't go to midnight mass with you guys.
With my dad?
Yeah, no, I think I was working. I think I was still in dispatch at that time.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Question number 9.
What is your favorite Christmas movie?
Grinch, the animated one.
The animated one? The old one or the new one?
The new one.
The new animated Grinch, which we have not watched yet this year.
Nope, we haven't.
I don't even think we watched the old animated one yet, have
Yes,
we?
we have.
Have we?
I don't remember, but okay. Mine would be, it's a tie. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas.
I like Elf, and then 'Twas the Night Before Christmas is my favorite childhood Christmas movie.
Don't forget the Polar Express.
Polar Express is a good one too.
Yep. All right, and we're at question 10. What goals would you like to concentrate on before the year is up?
Getting good grades.
Getting good grades, okay.
Just want to get the gifts wrapped at this point.
Yeah, I was going to say that. Gifts wrapped.
I gotta get the gifts wrapped and everything set up for Santa.
Yep.
You had 2 days for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
All right.
my goal. And to stay sane. Which I'm already like mostly not sane. So
I was going to say,
it's not a major goal. I'm not going to be upset if it doesn't happen.
I think we're about one strap shy of a straitjacket at this point.
But we're pleasant.
Yeah. All right. We actually have a bonus question this week.
Oh, cool.
Bonus question.
Okay.
What are you most excited about this season?
Christmas.
Christmas.
Spending time with family.
Yes. Family time. Definitely. Looking forward to it.
All right.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That is it. We are done.
Awesome. Really fun questions, Tracy. Thank you.
Yes.
And big thanks again to Roy for tagging us. Now, as for who we're going to tag, Steve and I talked about it, and everybody is so busy right now. We're going to tag anybody who wants to answer the questions. So please feel free to leave your answers down below, or if you have a YouTube channel, let me know, and I will post that in the description. So, real quick before we end this video, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up, we would appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family, guys, we'd love the chance to get to know you better. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button in the corner or the red subscribe button down below. And until our next Tuesday tag, guys, we hope you have a fantastic, marvelous, wonderful Christmas.
Yes.
And keep smiling. Bye.
Bye.